My name is Jan Venter and I'm a Customer Success Manager at the CRM team. Today, we're going to be looking at tracking machine downtime as well as the automatic creation of maintenance requests once a piece of machinery goes offline. What we're currently looking at is a manufacturing phases board, where each individual phase of the manufacturing process has been divided up into individual groups. Now, the main pieces of information we're currently looking at here are the production teams, operators, what if machinery is required, and currently if the machinery is running or not. As soon as we change one of these statuses from yes, the machinery is running to no, the machinery is not currently running, there's two separate connections and two separate automations that kick off and connect it to several boards. The first is an item creation in machine downtime tracking. The second is an item creation for maintenance requests. As soon as a new maintenance request has been created, it pulls through all the required information for the relevant technician or artisan. That includes if it's a new breakdown, what machinery is required, and where that machinery is currently sitting. Columns such as the priority of the breakdown can be adjusted on individual metrics or can be changed to manually. As soon as an item is created, we have the creation date, the maintenance type, which will of course be entered as soon as the request is started to be working on. When we look at the status, we have new request, working on it, and resolve. Now let's change the status to working on it. As soon as we've changed that, the item will move to request in progress, where the technician will have all the details they need in order to start working on that individual maintenance request. The second board that we looked at is the machine downtime tracking board, where all the individual logs for the entire history of all breakdowns for that piece of machinery will be kept. There's also a great indication for the time tracking, how long it took to resolve, what the production impact is, the cause of downtime, as well as if the issues have been resolved or not. Now, we can take this slightly further to work in the cost implications of said breakdowns. Now, all of these metrics of how we work out the cost implications can be designed specifically to your individual business.